In this video, I'm going to show you how to batch resize in Adobe Bridge. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to enable the export panel, which is this one over here. So go to Window up top and click on Export. And whenever there's the export check mark next to it, it means it's going to pop up down here, default at the bottom left. Then you want to select all the images you want to batch resize. I'm going to hover over all of these at the bottom, and I'm going to just drag and drop them onto the custom export. Here you can go and give them custom presets. You can change the options where you want to save them, then the image format as well. So I'm going to just change it to PNG real quick. And then if you scroll down here, it says image resize. You could go and scale images. So it could be a value between 0 and 100. So I could do 50 over here, for example, instead of 100. And that would, of course, resize. Or you could do a resize too. And of course, you could do fit or fill. And then you could do long edge, short edge, width, height, etc. Or you can change dimensions, okay? So what I'm going to do here is actually do a scale image. I'm going to make it smaller, and I'm going to just leave all of this like it is and click on Start Export. Now it's going to start exporting, and you'll be able to see that those images are then going to be scaled, okay? So that's how to batch resize in Adobe Bridge. It's super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.